Bhagavad Gita class.
Oh, okay.
Okay, same time. So if you are free, you can also join.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we will do is we will quickly hop on to our class today, right? Okay, yeah. Okay, so still everybody is joining. Till then, we can start with our prayers. Okay, everyone together. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana
नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण माता जी दिस इज मुकुंद
Hare Krishna Mukund. So nice to see you all. And today we are. Hi Krishna. Okay, so okay. You know what? I'm going to have this slide over here and tell me what is the resemblance with today and the quality.
Quality.
Extremely
Clever.
What is it?
extremely clever. Stealing butter, like stealing
Quality
butter.
number 15.
Extremely clever.
Extremely clever.
What's the date today?
Number 15.
15.
The
So
15th.
you know what this week it is going to be the date 15 and the quality 15. The date 16 and the quality 15. What a coincidence, right? Okay, so what we will go is we'll quickly go with our revision of the verses, okay? Everybody together, we'll say it thrice, everybody together.
Okay.
Rudranam Shankarastasmi Vittersho Yaksharakshasam Vasunam Pavakastasmi Merushikharinamaham.
Okay, you know what we'll do is quickly. Okay, Mukund, Balram, Ramachandra, Samskriti. Can you say this verse together?
Yes, Mataji. Rudranam Shankarastasmi Vittersho Yaksharakshasam Vasunam Pavakastasmi Merushikharinamaham. Hare Krishna.
Very good. Subhadra, Giridhari, Raya Prahlad, Balavrinda, and Nandini is there. You all can recite it together.
Okay, Mataji. Rudranam Shankarastasmi Rudranam Shankarastasmi Vitesham Vashunam Pavakastasmi Merushikharinamaham.
Very good. Raya Prahlad, I didn't hear you. Raya Prahlad and Balavrinda, can you go together?
Rudranam Sankarastasmi Vitesho Yaksharakshasam Vasunam Pavakastasmi Merushikharinam. Thank you, Mataji.
Very good.
That did not say Mataji. She don't know the sloka.
Okay. So what we will do is, okay, those who feel that you do not know it, can you repeat after me? Rudranam Shankarastasmi Rudranam Shankarastasmi
रुद्रांशस्मि
वित्तेषु
वित्तेषु
यक्षरक्षसाम्
यक्षरक्षसाम्
वित्तेषु यक्षरक्षसाम्
वित्तेषु यक्षरक्षसाम्
वसूनां
वसुनां
पावकश्चास्मि
पावकश्चास्मि
वसूनां पावकश्चास्मि
वसुनां पावकश्चास्मि
मेरुः शिखरिणामहम्
मेरुशिखरिणामहम्
मेरुः शिखरिणामहम्
मेरुशिखरिणामहम्
Okay, so we'll go to the next word. Okay, but you know what?
Mataji, can I go? This is Prahalad.
Yes, Prahlad, go ahead and also read the translation, Prahlad.
Okay. Rudranam Sankarashchasmi Vitteso Yaksharaksasam Vasunam Pavakaschasmi Merushikarinamaham. Of all the Rudras, I am Lord Shaba. Of the Yakshas and Rakshasas, I am the Lord of Wealth, Kuvera. Of the Vasus, I am fire, Agni, and of mountains, I am Meru.
Very good, very nice. Okay, so others, I'll give you chance for the next verse, okay? And you know what you should do is when somebody else is saying it, at the back end, you also go on reciting it, whether you are on mute or unmute, okay? So that you just get into the recitation, at least thrice you're reciting this verse, okay? So next I will have, okay, you know what, Nandini, one second, okay? Yeah, Nandini, Mokshit, Suraj, and Samskriti. Can you go ahead with this verse?
Okay, Mataji. Purudasam Vidipata Bruhaspatim Senanim Aham Skanda Sarasam Asmi Sagara.
Thank you, Mataji.
Good. Okay, Shreyash, Khushi, Aditya,
Can I see Mataji for this one?
and Akshita. Akshita is there or who was it?
Krishna Nayanas.
Okay, and Krishna and Nina. So can you say this together?
Yes, Mataji.
Puro, yeah. Purodasam Okay, those whose name I'm taking, please say that, okay? Jagdish, then I have Akshita, Subhadra Giridhari. Can you say it together?
Yes, Mataji. Purodasam Chamukhyam Vidipata Brahaspatim Jenaninam Maham Skanda Sarasamasmi Sagaraha Jenainamaham Skanda Sarasam Asmi Sagara.
Sarasamasmi Sagara. Okay, so now those who do not know the pronunciation, we can do it together, okay? You can repeat after me. Purodhasam Chamuk Purodhasam
Purusatam
Purodhasam Chamukhyam Mam Purodhasam Chamukhyam Mam Vidipatha Brahaspatim Senani Namaham Skandaha Sarasamasmi Sagaraha Purodhasam Chamukhyam Mam विद्धि पार्थ बृहस्पतिम् सेनानीनामहं स्कन्दः
सेनानीनामहं स्कन्दः
सरसामस्मि सागरः
सरसामस्मि सागरः.
Mokshit, can you read the translation for us?
O priest, O Arjuna, know me to be the chief Brihaspati of generals. I am Kartikeya, and of bodies of water, I am the ocean.
Very good. Okay. Next, so we will have Balavrinda, Raya Prahlad, Mukund, and Ramachandra. Can you say this verse together?
Yes, Mataji. Maharshinam Briguraham Giramasmaikamaksharam Yajnanam Japayagyosmi Stavaranam Himalaya. Hare Krishna.
Very good. Okay, so yeah, I did not know Pranav, you were there. Nandini, Pranav, Sanskriti, and Akshita. Can you say this verse together?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Maharshinam
Briguraham Giramasmi Ekamaksharam Himalaya.
Very good. Okay, Balaram, Khushi, Aditya, and who else is there? Jagdish is there. I see Devahuti Mataji. I don't know who is there. Can you start it together? Can you recite it together?
Devahuti Mataji is Krishna.
It's Krishna. Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. So yeah, you can read it together. You can recite it together. Start, Balaram. Everybody said it? I could hear only Balaram. Where is Aditya? Khushi. Tulasi is okay. Tulasi is there.
Mataji, when should we say it?
Yeah, you can start. Everybody is saying it together. When I say 4 names, you all 4 are going to recite it together.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so Aditya, Tulasi, Krishna, can you say it together?
Okay. Maharshi
Very good. So I see Shreyash, Mokshit, Prahlad, and Raya Prahlad. Can you say it together?
Yes, Mataji.
Very good. Okay, Suraj, Krishna Naina, Subhadra, Giridhari. Can you say this verse together?
Yes, Mataji. Maharshinam Briguraham Giram Eka Akaram Jnanam Japayagnam Himalaya. Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hi Krishna. Josh, do you want to try this verse or you want to repeat after me?
I
Josh?
to repeat.
Okay, you want to repeat after me? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so those who feel that you want to repeat after me, you're more than welcome to repeat after me, okay? Maharshinam Bhruguraham Giram Asme Ekamaksharam.
Ekamaksaram.
Giramasmi ekamaksharam.
Giramasmi ekamaksaram.
Yajnanam japa yajñosmi.
Yajnanam japayajñosmi.
Sthavaranam Himalaya.
Himalayas.
Very good. Josh, can you read the translation for us?
You spot
Of the great
just
cities,
two.
I am Baru. Of vibration, I am the transcendental Of sacrifices, I am being the chanting of my holy names. And of the ineffable things, I am the Himalayas.
Very good. Thank you so much. Okay. So now what we will do is we will go with our today's quality. Okay. Today's quality of Krishna. So we had the first slide over here so that you guess the quality extremely clever. Okay. So today's quality of Krishna is extremely clever. Yeah. We know from
He uses his cleverness for stealing butter.
yes, there are so
Didn't we learn one story about that?
yes. It along with the story, it becomes easy for you to understand, right?
Mataji also uses his cleverness to sometimes even trick the gopis.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
in the like we learned in our story about
Right. So you know what now when Srila Rupa Goswami, when he is mentioned about the qualities of Krishna, he has mentioned specific characteristics of specific ways how he should be classified into, okay, or how he should be explained as. So when he explains that Krishna is extremely clever, see, if we had that, oh, you know what, I'll just take the last slide so that you get an idea of what we did, right? So when we saw that, okay, Krishna is, this was okay, extreme, wonderful. See, like highly learned, highly intelligent, a genius. You feel, oh, these are all repetition of the characteristics. Is it like, oh, the same characteristics over and over again? But when you read, yeah, they are different, and each story can be looked into a different way, or there are so many pastimes which can be narrated, right? So when it is extremely clever, what the Srila Rupa Goswami says is, what is extremely clever? A person who can perform various types of work alone, all by himself. If a person, Nandini, I can't see you, you're getting blended. So a person, when he can do all types of activities alone, is an extremely clever person. Okay, because there are so many times where we've seen that Krishna is so clever, right? Krishna is so very, with his all wits, he has helped the Pandavas and he has taken them out of trouble. So now, but we are going to look into a different angle over here, is how a person who can perform various types of work alone. So now this person is mentioned over here, but with Krishna, how the Lord is performing all the things alone. Krishna does not need anybody's help, right? He is self-sufficient. He can do everything by himself. So now we'll see what was Lord Krishna's, like what was Lord Krishna performing. Yeah, how were the different roles that Lord Krishna performed on the battlefield of Kurukshetra? Okay. So Krishna, he was as a chariot driver in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. He was a chariot driver. We remember the story, right? When the Duryodhan and Arjuna come to meet him, and then Duryodhan says that, oh, I will. Krishna Arjuna says that I will take you, that you can be along with me. And Duryodhana says, oh, what a foolish Arjuna is. He was just having Krishna, one person alone. What is he going to do? And whereas I will take the Narayaniswa, the Sena, and then I'll be the winner. Okay. So this alone Krishna, he took it for granted that, okay, Krishna alone is nothing. But at the end of the war, he came to know that Krishna alone was equivalent to everyone. So Krishna alone is going to do different types of roles. So we'll see into it how he is. Okay. So he was a mere chariot driver for Arjuna. Then over here you can see who was he? He's instructing Arjuna. So he's a
He's instructing Arjuna
the guru to Arjuna, right? Yeah. So when Krishna, Arjuna says that I am now please become my guru and instruct me. So he becomes a guru for Arjuna. See over here, he was not only a chariot driver, but what he was doing, he was guiding Arjuna in the war, right? So again, he is performing so many roles. See, he is driving the chariot. he is paying attention to where Arjuna is, because what the chariot driver does is, we all know, right? What the chariot driver is following, he's following the directions, whatever
Yeah.
the rider wants to go,
Rider.
whether he wants, yeah, whether he wants to go right, whether he wants to go left. So he's following that. At the same time, look at his hand of Lord Krishna. He's instructing, he's guiding him somewhere, that okay, Arjuna, look over there and have your arrow there. So he's, even during this war, when he's driving the chariot in the battlefield, yet he can instruct and he can guide Arjuna. Okay, we are going to see with respect to us how we do it. And he's the best companion for Arjuna, right? When the war started, he was there with Arjuna. He was there from the beginning till the end. Okay, so next over here, what is the next role of Arjuna, of Krishna over here? Krishna is the, in the first picture, what do we see?
Using the chariot.
Krishna is taking the chariot wheel and running towards Bhishma Dev to kill Bhishma Dev.
Arjuna is stopping Krishna because Krishna tried to kill Bhishma because Arjuna refused to kill him in the
Yes, so,
war.
yeah, and this, like, Bhishma had taken a vow that he's going to kill the Pandavas the next day, right? Yeah, so see, he even became a protector of Arjuna, though he had taken a vow that he's not going to take any weapon. He was so pledged that he said that he's going to protect Arjuna and he will become the
It is not a
king.
weapon.
Yeah.
Mataji,
Yes.
Mataji, when Bhishma Dev got to know that Krishna had taken a vow to not take up any weapon in the war, and Bhishma Dev also took a vow of making Krishna take a weapon in the war.
Right.
Story, Vrinda, how
And over here, see, Krishna is the best friend for Arjuna, right? We know, like, Krishna has always
And
been a
he
best.
also protects Arjuna.
Yeah, pray for Arjuna. So see, over here itself, there are so many other roles also Lord has taken, but over here itself we saw that there are 6 roles that the Lord is playing in one person. So the definition which Rupa Goswami is given is so apt, right? A person who can perform various types of work alone is an extremely clever person. Now we will look into it. How do we do things? See, when we try to do many things, you know what, we feel that, see, if I have this photo, we feel that on Women's Day we have a photo, right, of the women having doing so many different things. But today I've taken the men over here as an example, because we're talking about Lord Krishna. So see, like taking pills or doing work, doing this, doing that, what do we feel is that, oh, we are also multitasking, we are also doing so many roles in a day. But what does the neuroscience say? Yeah, what does the science say is that we feel that we are doing so many things at one time. Okay, we feel that we are paying attention to this, we are paying attention to that. But you know what, sometimes if we are doing 2 3 things at a time and somebody comes and talks to us and you're not paying attention, then you say, okay, come again, what did you say? Right, for a minute or so your concentration gets distracted. So the neuroscience says that we feel that we are doing multitasking, but really what happens into our brain is, according to neuroscience, we are just switching our activities. We are not concentrating on one activity. We are just switching our activities, concentrating on that activity. We are switching to another activity. If there are 3 4 things at a time, suppose if you get a phone call and you are on your computer and you're doing something, what happens is you are really going to just leave that activity for 2 3 seconds and then pay attention to the next. Then leave that activity for 2 3 seconds and then pay attention to the next. If you try to do together, suppose if you are listening to someone on the call and you're trying to type an email, it becomes highly impossible, because what happens, whatever that person is saying, you try to type that then. Okay, so doing multitasking, it, we feel that we are multitasking, but it is not. Multitasking can be done by the Lord alone, because he is the whole and soul of everything, right? So he can do those multitasking without any see, look at this person over here, how frustrated he is, and there are so many things coming up to him, and he gets, at times it happens to us, right? Like when I'm doing something and my elder son will come, the younger son will, and I'll come, I'll say, oh, come on, let me, give me 1 minute. And then at times I feel when they're upstairs or when they're doing their work, I feel, oh, I'm at peace now, I'm doing my work myself. See, Balavrinda also, yes, Balavrinda. I know so many things coming up, right? Balaram is listening so carefully. Rai Prahlad is also listening so carefully. Rai Prahlad, are you in the woods? Are you sitting in the woods? In a garden? It looks so nice. Your background is so nice.
And I'm in
Okay.
the
Everyone is on video. So nice. I can see everyone on video. I can
I'm all
see.
the way back 500 years ago.
Yeah, so then so nice to see you all. So this is what happens when we are trying to multitask. Okay, we are just switching, really. We are not exactly
Mataji?
multitasking. Yes.
I was eating prashadam. That's why I did not start my video.
Okay, no worries, no worries. Okay, so see what happens is when you're doing one task, concentrate on that task and do it. Okay, you can divide your time into some ways and then do that one thing at a time, but do it completely, thoroughly. Okay, so it becomes that when you're doing one task, you're giving your 100% of your efficiency in that task. What happens when you're doing multitasking? You get frustrated if the work is not done
And you
properly.
confused and you mix things together.
Yes, what else do you feel that when you're multitasking, what might happen?
Too much work.
Too much work, and then quality work is not maintained, right? There is okay, like you can do two things at a time. Yes, Pranav?
When you do the two things at a time, you'd probably make lots of mistakes, though.
Yes, that's also true, right? Very nice, very nice. Yes, Akshita?
Also, you could feel stressed, like doing if you have this pending and you didn't.
Yes, very nice, very nice. So yeah, that's also true. When you are multitasking, you might get stressed. Anybody else has had their hands raised who wants to say anything? If you are multitasking, what might happen?
Have to stop.
Sorry?
You'll have to, at some point of time, you'll have to stop and take a break.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So now how Krishna is clever. You've seen this story earlier about the arrows,
Yes,
5 arrows
3
of,
times.
right? Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah. So over here, what we are going to infer is, see what happened. Krishna, he is present everywhere, right? So when this was happening, or Krishna is multitasking, he knows everything what is happening at every point. So with this story, we can also have with respect to the how Krishna is clever, wherein Krishna came to know that Bhishma has taken this vow, and then he had to protect the Pandavas. And then what did he do? He told Arjuna that, do you remember you had some boons to be taken from Duryodhana? So why don't you go and take it now? Arjuna did not know anything. Why is he asking this time? He said, okay, if you say so. And then he went to Duryodhana and he said that, you know what, you remember you had one, you said that you are going to, you giving me a boon. And then now it's the time that I want to take that boon. And then he says that, give me those arrows. And then Duryodhana was so surprised. He said, about these arrows only I and Bhishma Bhishma Pitama knew about it. How did you know? And then he asked, if you don't mind, I should ask you, like, who told you about this? And then Arjuna smiled and he said, it was Krishna who told me about it. Right? And that time, it was the time when Duryodhana started feeling that, okay, did I make a mistake by not taking Krishna and just taking the Narayani Sena? So this is how Krishna is. Krishna knows everything, and he's so clever. See, at one time, if now you know what, sometimes when you are doing something, you do not want to do another thing, or you cannot concentrate on something. It happens with me when I'm singing. I find it difficult to play the kartal. Now it becomes easy, but initially it was. But over here, if you see in Kaliya Daman, what it was, Krishna was dancing on Kaliya.
Dancing and holding.
Yeah.
You spotlighted Akshita.
Oh, Krishna. Okay.
Oh, wait, what? Yeah, I am pinned.
Okay. So yeah. So then see, Krishna was dancing on the Kaliya. He was playing his flute. He was also talking. He was also instructing all the wives of Kaliya, that how Kaliya, what is Kaliya doing and how should be doing. And because these were the Kaliya's wives, they were pleading to Krishna that please leave our husband, please leave our husband. So he's doing 2-3 things at a time, and he's not frowning, he's not sad, he's with a smile, he's doing that. Okay. And you know what, on top of that, what he said? Oh, I just came to find my ball over here, right? So Krishna is so mystical that he can do everything without any pains, without any frustration. How we get frustrated if we have so many things to do, right? There is this exam, there is that exam, this test, that test. We cannot multitask so much. We can
Mataji?
do 2 things at a time, but then Krishna is all rounder. Okay, so he can do so many things at a
Mataji, I
time.
have another
Mat-
story where he uses cleverness in the same instance.
Mataji?
What is it, Ramachandra? One second,
I
okay?
have another story that's the same. That he uses cleverness in the same Kurukshetra battle.
Which one is it?
Where after the 5 arrows, Bhima had
Yeah, yeah,
Bhima was like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
So
That
he
one
said
is.
that I bring your wife and I'll bless her that your husband's
Right, right, right.
Oh yeah.
But then
Yeah, so
Krishna sends
we are looking into the stories which we see in our scriptures exactly if we find a reference. So I'll just find a reference if that's really mentioned in the Bhagavatam, and then we can confirm it, okay? So we are done with this part.
Mataji?
Yes?
I just wanted to say one thing. When you were saying about Duryodhan, he was thinking that I think I should have taken Krishna. I've like one thing was that Krishna would never go to Adharma any way possible, and another thing is that even if he would go, even if he was like, I mean, he can't be forced, but like if he does that, but still he'll accept being he will still accept losing because he needs to because dharma has to win.
Right, right, right. Very nice. You all have such beautiful understandings. So, Mataji, are you there?
Yes.
Hi, good.
Such a
I'm glad I
beautiful
finished on
class.
time. I didn't want to
Hare
run ahead.
Krishna Mataji.
Hare
Hi Krishna. So
Krishna.
Mataji is there for your Sanskrit class. Take your pen, paper, and have proper notebook for your Sanskrit. Okay.
Did
Yes.
you after
Mataji,
recording
what was
that
short?
start another new recording?
Hare Krishna Preeti.
Yes, Mataji.
Did you start new one? New
I didn't
recording?
start. I didn't start.
Okay, we will stop this recording.